Hello, the topic of this video is Customer Lifetime Value, abbreviated as LTV. LTV is the total value that a customer is expected to bring to a business over the lifetime of the customer relationship. Value could be expressed in terms of revenue, gross margin, or net profit. Lifetime is the length of time the customer remains active. A customer may go through multiple stages in the life cycle of her relationship with the business. She usually starts as a prospective customer. With her first purchase, she becomes an active customer. Over time, she may lose interest and become a churned customer. Only active customers contribute value to the business, so there's a lot of interest in keeping customers in the active state. The conversion of prospective customers into active customers is called acquisition. Conversely, the process of bringing back churned customers into active customers is called reactivation. Now, a lot of efforts are made to keep current customers in the active state. They generally fall into the categories of engagement and retention. Here is how lifetime value can be calculated. It is the average value per unit time multiplied by the lifetime of the customer. There are two options for growing LTV. First, you can increase the average value per unit time through engagement. Second, you can extend the lifetime of the customer through retention. Now let's take a look at the first option. The average value per unit time largely depends on the business model. For a subscription-based business model, the average value per unit time is essentially the subscription fee. For a purchase-based business model, the average value per unit time depends on both the frequency of purchase and the amount of each purchase. For example, in retail, the average value per unit time is the product of number of trips made to the retail stores and the basket size for each trip. So growing the average value entails driving more trips and increasing the basket size. Now let's take a look at the second option. An effective way of growing LTV is to extend the lifetime of a customer through retention. As a general rule of thumb, the cost of retaining a current customer is much lower than the cost of acquiring a new customer. Suppose you're given a limited budget to drive retention with promotional efforts. How would you go about allocating that budget? Well, this can be accomplished through retention modeling. The goal is to identify customers who are at the highest risk of attrition and take early interventions to prevent churn. This is customer lifetime value in a nutshell. Other related topics are customer acquisition cost and customer retention rate, which we will discuss in future videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.